channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day as usual. In today's video, I come at you with another unboxing. I know, I have been so incredibly bad over the past couple of months. Actually, like worse than I think that I've ever been. I don't know what's gotten into me. Don't use me as an example, but I think something can be said about retail therapy. I think with everything going on, you know, I definitely have treated myself a little more than I probably should. But you guys know what I like to say, as long as you work hard, your bills are paid, you save money, and your family is taken care of, I don't see anything wrong with treating yourself. So that's where we are today. I purchased 2 items. Now keep in mind, neither one of them are a handbag, but I purchased 2 items that I have actually had my eye on for quite some time, and my sales associate just so happened to have them in stock. And I have to say, I don't know if there's any truth to this. However, I have heard from a lot of people, this is just a rumor at this time, that there might be another Louis Vuitton increase. I know what you're thinking. It is absolutely crazy how many increases there have been lately between Louis Vuitton and Chanel. So I guess I just get a little panicky, which is what causes me to buy these things. And that's probably not a good way to be, but trust me, I have been in situations where I've waited too long and then I've had to endure the price increase, and it really can bite you. So like I said, I don't know if there's truth to the price increase, but I got a little nervous. So because my sales associate did have both of these in stock, I wanted to go ahead and get them. So let's go ahead and let's start with the smaller item first. So like I said, neither one of these items are handbags, but these are both items that I've been wanting for a while, and this one I noticed has recently come in stock a lot on the website. So if this piece is something you've been wanting for a long time, keep checking the website because I've noticed it'll go in and out. So let's start with this first one. Let's go ahead and get right into it, and I will do the unboxing. Okay guys, here we go. Here is the box that it came in, and of course they have it wrapped so beautifully. So I'm going to try to salvage the ribbon, but I usually fail miserably at this. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'll take it right off. Open it up. You guys might have an idea of what it is. It is a small leather good. I'm super excited about this. Comes with the Louis Vuitton dust bag with a really pretty blue drawstring. And the first item I picked up is the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 15. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is smaller than I thought, but how cute is this? You might recall that I did pick up the Toiletry 19 because, as you know, these pieces are super difficult to get. They're so popular, but they're great to pop in your purse. They're great for travel. So I had the 19. Actually, let me go grab that. Okay, so here is the 19. You guys might recall that I do own this one, and here is kind of how it compares to the 15. But when I heard that the 15 was available, it was one of those offers that I couldn't pass up, and with it being such a popular item, I didn't know if it was going to go up in price, and I took the plunge, you guys. I did. So let me show you what it looks like. You can see it has the beautiful monogram canvas. It has this little, this is the Vaquette. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain. The zipper is a really pretty gold zipper that says LV. So in case you're looking for it, the number is 457546. The thing that I like about this is it has a wipeable lining. So if it is something that you want to use for makeup, it does have an interior where you can wipe it, which I really like. But this is just a great piece. So what I want to do, let me go ahead and get a few makeup items and we'll see what we can put in here. Alright, I went ahead and I grabbed a bunch of makeup items because I want to see, you know, what is able to fit in here. First off, this is the cutest little thing. So let's see, let's pop in some lipstick. We have a couple YSL lipsticks I'm going to pop in. I have some more YSL. Just want to pop. Here is a Chanel lipstick, and that one can fit in there nicely. A Gucci lipstick. Now here is a Tom Ford lip gloss. Let's see. That can fit, but you really have to squeeze it. So there I have 2 lip glosses and I have about 5 lipsticks in there. So that can fit a pretty good amount. So now what I want to do is let's go ahead and see if I can fit this compact. This is, oh, how beautiful is this packaging, this beautiful YSL compact. So let's go ahead and take some of these out and see what I can do. I have 3 lipsticks in there now, and I can pop that in there like that, and then I can probably put another lipstick here, and then maybe put another one there, so you can kind of see how that fits. You can fit a good amount. It's a perfect little bag for like a purse, which I really like. So let's go ahead and see how this compares to the mini pochette. You can see they're actually around the same size, which, you guys, I have to say, I will have to do a comparison video between these in the future. You can see the Toiletry 19 is a little bit thicker, but it looks like they're about the same length. So stay tuned for that. I can definitely do a video comparing those, but for now, I just wanted to kind of show you what this bag has to offer. Perfect for makeup. If you don't want to use it for makeup, you know, you can just use it kind of as like another keep all in your purse. But this is just a great piece. I love the basic monogram. I love the fact that it's wipeable. So I was really excited to pick this up. So now let's go ahead and unbox the next item. Okay guys, there is the little cutie back there. Now I wanted to unbox this one because, well, you'll see why. Okay, so it comes in this big box, and I didn't show you guys before, but I do have a receipt that I got from my sales associate, who, by the way, is absolutely amazing. He is always so helpful. If there's something I'm looking for, you know, I can always just text him, and he is just really great to work with. So I appreciate him a lot. I really do. Okay, so here's the box. It's a pretty large box. Do you guys have any guesses what it might be? Now, I have to say before I open it, this is actually something I wanted last year, but I did not get it, and it happened to be available this year. So I was like, let's do it. Okay, so you can see it has the tissue paper, the little sticker. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Let me take it out and show you. Okay, so the item that I got, as you can see, is a scarf. It is the Louis Vuitton. This is the logo Mania scarf, and it is in the shade Ruby. It is so pretty. It is actually wool and silk, and it feels like really plush and nice. And it has the Louis Vuitton logo in it. It's so beautiful. So here's the one side. And then here is the interior. So I love that. Oh, I love that. So if I wanted, I could wear it like this. Or if I wanted a little more red, I could flip it over and wear it like this. I just think that's so pretty, and I think that this is perfect for the holiday season. If you're going to any events, like, you know, work events, if you're going for Christmas. It's also great for Valentine's Day. And I don't know about you guys, but it has been getting really chilly where I live, and as you know, I have a golden retriever and I take him on a lot of walks, so I definitely wanted to invest in a nice scarf, and this is just really nice. I already have like a black puffer coat, I have a black trench coat, and then a black wool coat. So I think that this would pair nicely with all of them, but I just really loved it, and I've always wanted a Louis Vuitton scarf. It's something that I don't own. And like I said, I've had my eye on this for a long time, and when I checked with my sales associate, he had it, so I was like, you know what, let's go ahead, let's do it. Like I said, I had a reward. The problem is now I have another reward, you guys. Anytime I buy something, I seem to keep getting rewards, which is not a bad thing, but when I have a reward, it makes me want to buy something else. So I think I've got their game figured. I do. But this is really pretty, and then you can see at the bottom it has these really beautiful, nice fringes. So tell me down below, did you guys expect it to be a scarf? Like I said, I wasn't bad. I didn't get a handbag, but this is beautiful, and this is something that I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of because it is a scarf, and the weather is getting a little chilly. So I'm really excited about this to kind of branch out with my Louis Vuitton collection and kind of start looking at other pieces, and this is really beautiful. So what I will try to do is I will try to find these items, and I will link it down below. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day. I really appreciate you taking time to watch. Make sure to hit that little subscribe button if you're new to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I'd love to have you join me over there. I hope you guys are staying safe, doing wonderful, and if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out and stay tuned because I have a lot of really fun videos coming for you. I have some gift guides, I have some Christmas decor, all types of things. So if you guys are new, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join me. Thank you guys again. Have a wonderful day, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video.
Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch.